The last digit of your birth year is a hidden code that reveals who you really are. Have you ever felt like something inside you was holding you back from reaching your true potential? Every day, you wake up, go about your daily routine, and feel a quiet restlessness deep within your soul. It's as if there's a force you can't name, guiding your choices, leading you to make the same mistakes, or awakening talents you never learned. You work hard, but success always seems to elude you. You love intensely, but feel empty. You seek happiness only to find yourself trapped in cycles of frustration. Sound familiar? Most people live this way, trying to conquer the world while battling their own inner chaos, unaware of a hidden code that can change everything. But here's some good news. There's a simple key to unlocking your true essence, something that's been with you since the day you were born. In this video, I'm going to reveal a powerful framework, not magic or superstition, but a language of energy and personality that can transform your decisions, relationships, and purpose. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to use it to live with clarity and strength. Imagine you're holding a map, but it's written in a language you don't understand. This is how most of us live, sailing through life without deciphering the signals within ourselves. Napoleon Hill, the legendary thinker, said that all genuine success begins with deep self-knowledge and channeling your energy toward a clear goal. It's not just about money, but about your life's mission, your role in the world. And here comes the crazy part. The key to this self-knowledge may lie in the last digit of your birth year. Yes, that's right. This number can reveal your inner code, a unique vibration that shapes your strengths, challenges, and even your ways of self-sabotage. I'm not talking about numerology or mystical shortcuts. These are 9 mental profiles, each linked to a number from 0 to 9 that define how you think, feel, and act. Each number carries an emotional pattern,
a driving force and a psychological obstacle that can either propel you forward or hold you back. Let me tell you a quick story. I knew someone who felt trapped in a cycle of failed projects and broken relationships. When he discovered his number, it was like a light bulb went off. He understood why he kept repeating the same patterns and how to break free. Here's the first mini revelation. Your number isn't a label, it's a compass. It shows you why some people inspire you, while others drain you, why certain areas of your life flow easily and others feel like quicksand. Sounds too simple? Maybe. But the biggest secrets are hidden in plain sight. For example, if you were born in 1984, your number is 4. This number defines your dominant energy, your strengths, challenges, and the path of growth that suits you best. And here's the kicker. Understanding it can transform your inner chaos into a clear path. But wait, it's not just about you. Knowing the numbers of the people around you, family, friends, partner, can unlock a new level of empathy and clarity in your relationships. I'll never forget when a friend realized that her partner's number explained their constant conflicts. It was like the fog had lifted and they began to communicate better. That's the power of this knowledge. It's not about boxing you in, but about giving you control over your frequency, so you can stop reacting on autopilot and start acting with intention. And there's more. Napoleon Hill said that the biggest mistake is trying to imitate someone else's success. Your number helps you embrace your uniqueness, not copy someone else's path. Your goals become clearer, your relationships healthier, and your life begins to align with purpose. But the best part comes at the end, where I'll show you how to apply this code to your life today. So keep watching. Let's dive into some numbers to understand how it works. If your birth year
ends in 0, you are the renovator.
You carry a mysterious and potent energy, the power to rebuild after everything falls apart. Most fear endings, but you thrive on new beginnings. You've moved cities, jobs, or even identities, pursuing a vision that not everyone understood. Your strength is adaptability, intuition, and a creative, nonconformist spirit. But your challenge is the feeling of instability, as if you're always starting over. Your lesson? You're not here to follow someone else's formulas. You create new possibilities. Trust the cyclical nature of your journey, and you'll rise stronger each time. Number 1, you're the initiator, a natural leader driven by courage and independence. Hill called this mental self-sufficiency, taking action without needing approval. You break ground where there was none, but your challenge is learning that you don't have to do it all alone. Control can be fear in disguise. Great leaders, Hill said, create other leaders. Use your strength to inspire, and your legacy will shine brighter than your achievements. If you're a 2, you're the harmonizer. You notice what others don't say, bringing peace to any environment. Your empathy and sense of justice make you a unifier, but you often forget yourself in order to care for others. Hill taught that harmony is a cornerstone of the creative mind. Your mission is to balance service to others with self-respect. Be a bridge, not a crutch, and your gentle strength will change the world. Number 3 is the communicator. Your creativity and sincerity light up any space. Your words inspire, but your challenge is to stay focused. Your mind is buzzing with ideas, and you struggle to finish what you start. Hill said that desires without direction are like a ship without a rudder. Channel your energy into meaningful projects, and your influence will expand. Your authenticity is your power. Use it purposefully. Number 4, the builder, embodies conscious discipline. Hill called discipline the bridge to achievement, and you have it in spades.
You are the calm in the storm, turning ideas into solid systems. But too much control or fear of failure can hold you back. True strength is flexible. Keep building with faith, and your creations will stand the test of time. We're just getting started. The game changer comes now. How to take your number and turn it into a practical plan for success. Don't miss out. Here's the big takeaway. Your number is your inner code, a guide to aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your true essence. Hill taught that a purpose-driven mind attracts everything it needs. When you understand your number, you stop chasing external success and start building from within. It's not about limits, it's about awakening your potential. For example, a 0 learns to embrace their cyclical journey. A 1 shares their strength. A 2 balances service with self-care. A 3 channels their creativity. And a 4 blends discipline with flexibility. How can you apply this today? First, identify your number, the last digit of your birth year. Reflect on the patterns in your life, your strengths, your struggles, your repetitive cycles. Then, delve into the strengths of your number and face your challenges. For example, if you are a 3, choose a project and complete it. If you're a 4, let go of control and take calculated risks. Study the numbers of the people around you to improve your relationships. This knowledge is a tool for living with intention, aligning your energy with your purpose. Your number does not define you, it reveals what you can become. You already have the power, you see the signs, you have the awareness. Now it's time to choose. Will you continue repeating old patterns or use this code to shape your future? Hill said that success comes from how you use your mind and energy. Your attitude creates your legacy. If this sparked something in you, comment, "I trust the person I am becoming, and nothing will stop me." Share this video with someone who needs to unlock their inner code. When one soul awakens, others are enlightened as well. Now go out there and make it happen.